They're so full of energy.
Let's eat, but remember your manners.
Okay, Mommy, may I have a sandwich?
And what do you say?
Please, thank you.
Very good. Now chew with your mouths closed.
This is delicious, isn't it?
Kids, if there's someone around who doesn't have food, always remember to share.
That's right. Sharing makes
Pass the ball! I'm open! Great pass! Shoot!
That was so much fun. I'm really thirsty.
Me too, the mountains look so pretty today. It's too high. You need to jump. I can get it. Watch this.
Remember to wash your hands first.
Okay, Mommy.
And remember, sweetie, always be respectful, kind, and considerate toward everyone at school, okay?
Okay, Mom. I will. And then my friend shared his snack with me at school.
That's wonderful, sweetie. It's so important to be kind to others.
And always cooperate with your friends and behave politely. It makes a big difference.
Wow, look at all the flavors.
All right, what will it be, kids?
Oh, these apples look perfect for the pie we wanted to make.
They do. Let's get a few. How about this one? That's lovely. What about this one?
Are you two having fun back there?
Yeah, this is the best trip ever. It's so much fun.
Table manners are a simple way to show respect for the people we share a meal with. Sitting properly, chewing with your mouth closed, and speaking politely help make mealtimes pleasant for everyone. Good manners at the table.
Patiently, speaking politely, and eating neatly, we show kindness and respect to everyone at the table. These simple habits create a welcome.